viewers. Good day, my fans in abroad. Good day, my people in America and London, in Lagos, in Nigeria. My name is Sule Sax Oshukpa, Kogberebe's son. I greet every one of you in the name of the Lord. Please, I am begging you, Women Forum of Olufimo Fans Club, Royal Parliament of Olufimo Fans Club, Olufimo generally, I greet every one of you. I am seeking for your help with the name of the Lord. Please, I beg you. I am your son here. I'm a saxophonist. Please, I still want to play this saxophone. I have been going through a lot since 6 months now. I've been going through pain. I'm into sickness. And the nature is of my sickness is kidney failure. And the transplant I'm doing every week now is 60,000 naira every week. And now, for now, the solution I'm into now, the solution they are looking for me now, that they want to do transplant for me. The transplant, the kidney transplant in India is 15 million naira. Please, it's your help I need. And no matter the situation of circumstances you find yourself, you must just, call God and be with it. Please, it's your help I need. My account number is 10704680 Abiodun Lasisi, Polaris Bank. 10704680 Abiodun Lasisi, Polaris Bank. One more time, 1010 1010 Abiodun Lasisi, Polaris. Please, I'm into pain. I'm going through pain, and I'm a family man. I have kids, I have wife. Please rescue me. I still want to play this saxophone. May God be with you. You never know sorrow. Badness will never enter into your house. God will protect you. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. May God be with you.